Stop. Look at your child right now. The words they believe about themselves today will shape every decision they make tomorrow. In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you how to anchor their identity in God's truth before the world rewrites it forever. Every single day, the world is whispering lies into your child's ear. You're not enough. You don't belong. You're not worthy. But what if one simple tool could drown out every single one of those lies before they ever take root? Here's what child psychologists already know. The words a child speaks about themselves before age 7 become the beliefs they carry for life. This isn't just coloring. Every stroke of that crayon is writing truth onto their hearts, permanently. Think about this. You spend hundreds on toys they forget in a week, hundreds on shoes they'll outgrow in months. This is under $10, and it builds something no toy ever could. A child who looks fear in the face and says, "I am brave in God." While they think they're just having fun coloring, their brain is literally being rewired. Neuroscience proves it. Repetition plus emotion plus action creates unshakable belief. And right now, they're repeating God's truth, feeling joy, and creating with their hands all at the same time. That's not a coloring book. That's a miracle in their hands. Kindness, patience, joy, courage, bravery. These aren't just words on a page. They're becoming your child's actual identity. While other kids are being shaped by YouTube algorithms, yours will be shaped by the Word of God. That difference will show up everywhere, in their classroom, their friendships, and their future. And here's what parents are telling us they didn't expect. It's not just changing their kids, it's changing them too. Just 10 minutes a day, sitting together, coloring together, declaring truth together. And suddenly, you're having conversations you never knew how to start. This book doesn't just build your child, it rebuilds your family. Ask yourself honestly, when was the last time your child prayed on their own, without being told? This book makes prayer feel like a superpower, not a chore. And once a child discovers the power of talking to God, nothing can take that away from them. Not the world, not the lies, not the screens, nothing. The greatest crisis facing children today isn't screen time, it's identity. Kids who don't know who they are will let anyone tell them. But a child who wakes up every morning knowing they were created on purpose, for a purpose, that child cannot be broken. By day 30, yours will be that child. And on day 30, when your child holds that superpower certificate in their little hands, you are going to cry. Because you won't just see a piece of paper, you'll see a child who knows exactly who they are, who made them, and why they're here. That moment, no amount of money can buy it. But this book can start it today. If you're still watching, you already know, you feel it, that pull in your chest that says, "My child needs this." Trust that feeling, because that's not just instinct, that's you being a good parent. Right now, thousands of Christian families across the world are 30 days into this journey. Their kids are walking taller, praying bolder, loving deeper. And they all started exactly where you are right now, watching this video, deciding whether to act. Here's the truth. You can close this video and keep hoping things change on their own, or you can spend less than the cost of one fast food meal and give your child something that feeds their soul for a lifetime. The choice sounds obvious when you say it out loud, doesn't it? Here's exactly what to do right now. Step 1. Hit the Amazon link in the description. Order your copy today. It ships fast, it arrives fast, and the moment your child opens it, you'll know you made the right call. Step 2, smash that subscribe button and ring that notification bell, because this is just the beginning. We are building a library of faith-based tools that will carry your child from toddler to teenager, and you do not want to miss a single one. Step 3, hit that like button right now. Not for us, for every parent scrolling through YouTube at midnight wondering how to protect their child's mind. Your like puts this video in front of them. You could be the reason another family finds this today. And step 4, share this right now, not later, now. Share it to your siblings, post it in your church group chat, send it to that parent you know who's struggling, because somewhere tonight a parent is desperate for exactly this answer, and you have the power to get it to them. The 30-day God-given Superpowers activity book is on Amazon, waiting for your child by name. Will you be the parent who acted or the one who wished they had? The link is right there on the description. One click, that's all it takes to start changing everything. Click it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with other Christian parents. Let's raise a generation of kids who know exactly who God says they are, and nothing the world says can shake them. I'll see you in the next video. God bless you and your family.